the 2017 Subaru Outback. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, power front seats, a power liftgate, and seat memory. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Subaru's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 152-point inspection. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.